guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. I did buy this wig myself 100% with my own money. This video is not sponsored. And I'm hoping this hair eats because this is supposed to be my birthday / vacation wig. I'm going on a cruise and I'm also going to Turks and Caicos the next week. So it's a lot riding on this hair. But we are going to unbox this wig together. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And let's get into this video. So I'm going to pull up the page on this hair so I can make sure to read off exactly what I have in my hands for you all. So I ordered the 13x6. They say it's HD lace, but we don't know. I ordered the 13x6 40-inch 200% density curly lace front human hair wig. So I'm excited. I'm filming this wig on 11/11 and I'm gonna try to post it this same morning. So I'm about to edit this video as soon as I'm done, because I feel like it would just be trifling to sit on this video if this wig is actually really good. But I'm going to unbox this wig. So if you don't know, AliExpress does like a lot of like 11/11 sales and Black Friday. So around this time, AliExpress has a lot of sales. So make sure you check them out. This is just a form on how to measure your wig. This wig did ship from the United States. When you see that little pink bag, it came from the United States. It didn't take that long to come. I believe it took like 5 days maybe. Let's see. So I ordered this wig on November 5th and it came the 11th. So it took, no, today's 11th. So it did take 5 days. I ordered November 5th and it came yesterday. So here's the bag. Let's unbox this wig. Okay. 40-inch. It's a lot riding on this hair, like I said. Okay, looks sort of long. Oh wait, let's wait. So they gave me a wig cap. And okay, the lace looks thin. It's like transparent. I like a looser curl. I really don't like super tight curls. And looking at this wig, it is like a looser curl. So I am happy. Like, this is the curl pattern I like. I really want to do like a slick back type of like look almost, to where my hair is slicked back during like little swimsuit pictures and stuff. That's my vision. But this is transparent lace. They give you like a lot of extra lace. This is a lot of lace. And let me show you all the inside of this wig. So it is a 13x6 wig, well, a 13x6 lace front. So you get a lot of parting space in the middle. So when I do a middle part, let me make sure you all can see. When I do a middle part, I like a long middle part. So that's why I kind of opt for a 13x6. There you get maybe 2 inches on the side of parting space. And it does come with 4 combs in it already, but I usually take those out. Okay, so here is the wig. It is very, very pretty. This is the curl pattern I like. I am happy with the thickness. Let's actually pull out my measuring tape. So I'm 5'7". Let's see where this hair falls firstly. I know when I wear curlier wigs, I put a lot of product in them. So it stretches the wigs, or it stretches the curl a little bit. It makes it longer. But just with this curl pattern, it falls right here on me. Bam. So that is nice. That's gonna be very pretty. And like I said, I'm 5'7", so I'm kind of long, I feel. So this hair is gonna look a lot longer on most people, I think. Like, I just have long dimensions. I am really, really liking this curl pattern. I'm so glad it's not some kind of kinky, like super tight curl. Like, this is what I like. It's very pretty and super full. Like, this hair is really full. I cannot wait to put this on my head. So I'm going on the cruise this Saturday, the 18th. So it's gonna be crazy, you guys. So let me pull out my measuring tape and see how long this wig is measuring. So most companies measure from up here. And unstretched, this wig is coming to like 32 inches. I'm gonna stretch it and see where this wig falls. So stretched, okay, they shorted me a little bit, I think. I think they shorted me a little bit on the inches. So stretched, I'm getting about 36 inches. That kind of sucks. I don't like that at all, but I do really love the hair. Like, Like, that is a lot of hair. But the thickness is definitely eating, and I'm happy with the length. I just want what I paid for. I just want it to be super duper long. So, yeah, I think this might be cute. This is gonna eat though. It is gonna be a nice length. Like, I'm going to go like horseback riding and stuff, so I just imagine my hair just flying like on a horse is what I'm seeing in my head. So yeah, I mean, it's still gonna eat, and I feel like just looking at this lace, the lace is pretty thin, so it is gonna be easy to work with and like blend. It's not HD lace, but I can tell it's gonna be easy to melt just by like the way the lace is folding. Like, I can just, at this point, I kind of just know. So I am happy about that. But yeah, this is the curl pattern I like. I'm glad it's nothing just too curly. So I will be installing this wig super soon. Super soon. I have so much content for you all. So I'm wearing this wig on my cruise, and I think in Turks and Caicos I will wear the 40-inch straight wig I ordered a little while ago. So I think, but I just feel like curly hair on an island would also eat too, so I'm not completely sure. But I am definitely wearing this wig this weekend, you know? Yeah, very pretty. This super full. I'm super happy about the fullness of this wig, really. Like, that's definitely selling me. Like, this is a lot of hair, a lot of hair. So I have tried YUAN hair before, and I really liked it when I tried it, but I had never tried their deep wave curlier texture. Like, this hair is thick. Like, look at it from the side. I hope this isn't too much to manage, because this really is a lot of hair, but I'm happy with it. Like, it's kind of eating. I think it's gonna be super cute. Of course, I'm gonna link this wig in the description box. I can't wait to put this thing on my head. I cannot wait. It is gonna eat. It's gonna eat the girlies up. And hopefully when I actually put it on, it looks even longer. I don't know. I'm excited though. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.